Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we're looking at the Primark travel hairdryer, maximum 1200 watt. It's compact, foldable, ideal for travel. 2 speeds, heat setting and handle. Alright, and this will be made, it said it was £6.50 but it was actually reduced I think. Where's it made? We don't know. Just says 2 speeds, 2 hitting, foldable handle. Concentrator air inlet cover switch hanging loop, 1200 watt. Right. But there's anything else. That's the price. Alright. So it says Rheinland tested. Rheinland safety performance. Now I've never seen that before. Excuse the water in the background. Our toilet has decided that it keeps running. I have mentioned it to the landlord, but it needs fixing. Right, okay, so we're going to open this up. First things first, it comes in a plastic bag. Nothing fancy. Just going to tear at that a bit. And there's the instructions. Quick look at that. Right. And we're just going to open this. Right, so inside, handle feels quite solid. I'll take the cable tie off. Obviously, the same portability, this is why people take these away. So I'm going to plug it in. Helps if you take that off. I'll just think where it's made. Rheinland Industries. There's no Chinese on there, I don't think. That comes off. So it actually makes it a bit more compact if you can take that off. Actually the hairdryer itself, the handle certainly feels quite good. The grip on it's nice as well. Really warm. Anyway, there's a quick look at that. 1, 2. That's the back of the hairdryer. I mean, I don't know how long this is going to last. But as I said, it's reasonably priced. It seems to be well inspected. I like the German thing, whatever that is. Rheinland tested. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching. Why not subscribe, like, and why not check out some more videos. Bye for now.